Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 18th September 2024, and we're diving into some electrifying updates from the world of Tesla and beyond. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with some exciting news about Tesla's electric truck, the Tesla Semi. This groundbreaking vehicle has reached impressive milestones, with a single truck clocking in 250,000 miles over the past 1.5 years. The entire fleet has collectively traveled an astounding 7.5 million miles. Despite being in production for nearly 2 years, the output has been somewhat limited, primarily serving Tesla's internal needs and PepsiCo. Dan Priestley, the head of the Tesla Semi program, recently shared some updates at the IAA conference in Germany. He highlighted the truck's remarkable efficiency, achieving 100 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers, which is slightly better than previous estimates. The Tesla Semi is designed to compete head-to-head with traditional diesel trucks, offering a range of 1,000 miles in a single day and maintaining a 95% uptime. This is crucial for profitability in the trucking industry. Looking ahead, Tesla has ambitious plans to ramp up production significantly. A new factory in Nevada is in the works, with an annual production target of 50,000 trucks by 2026. This expansion aims to address skepticism about the viability of electric trucks, particularly concerning battery capacity and longevity. Tesla is also focusing on developing infrastructure for Megawatt charging to support the growing electric truck market. The Tesla Semi program is poised to make a substantial impact on the commercial trucking industry, especially when paired with renewable energy solutions. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you enjoyed these updates from the world of Tesla and the broader electric vehicle landscape. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered today. Join us next time for more insights and developments. Until then, stay charged and drive safe.